Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kidikilong ki khubor bam takasni. Sorkar jilla Thung uhe pulit IPS bala shongthait uba hnong pru kumunon Judicial Member ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC. Ya katay lapin manado Menteri Rangba ka jilla konrat ki sangma hadin ka jingyalang jangka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar jilla kasngi balang kala ay jing menjur. Menteri Rangba konrat ki sangma loong hadin ka jing shongthait no jong uwe na ki non-judicial member hapo ka MHRC ngidon ya ka selection committee ka bala kliye do Menteri Rangba. Kabla terwai ka kerteng uba hnong plu IPS bala shongthait banlong unon judicial member ha ka MHRC ya kani ka jing terwala ay jing menjur da ka kinhun menteri. Ula pentip ru baka kinhun menteri kala ay jing menjur ru ya ka jing ay jing mut jing ka committee bala kliye do chief secretary halor ka jing Thung ya u LT call Sebastian Marbanyang kum uzilla Sainik Welfare Officer Shillong. Ka kinhun menteri kala menjur ru ya ka thup jing kishu ki nakabenta usnem arhajar arpsan kabalawan ra dagatna GAD.
Clear the list for the next year also, so we have done that today. Second is after the retirement of one of the non-judicial members in the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, we had a selection committee which is headed by Chief Minister, which had proposed the name of Shri H. Nongplu, retired IPS officer, to be the member or non-judicial in the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. And that particular name and proposal, which was done by the selection committee, has been today approved by the cabinet. Third was the selection of the candidate for the post of Zilla Sainik Welfare Officer Shillong. And again, a committee headed by the Chief Secretary went through a panel of names, and they have recommended the name of Lieutenant Colonel Sebastian Marbanyang, and the cabinet today has approved that particular proposal that has been given by the selection committee headed by the Chief Secretary. The fourth and the fifth agenda was to bring up certain changes in certain rules of the excise department. Without